Today we're going to be showing the basics of proper installation techniques as far as removing the cover for service in the future or during installation. It should be removed for easy access to wiring and to ensure everything's properly done with the drain. First thing you need to do is remove the front faceplate. It has two wires. One is a gray wire and one is a black wire. Just simply remove these two wires. I got the gray one out, and you'll notice it has a plug on the end, A, B, C, D, and E. All it does, it's capped from the factory, and it is a test port for the system to be ran and tested at the factory, or you can purchase a optional wired thermostat. It's wired permanently on the wall, and it has the basic features of the remote thermostat, except for it allows you to control the temperature wherever it's placed, and also doesn't eat the batteries up by doing the follow me function. And it comes with an extension. The black wire here is simply push down on the molex connector, unplug it. Now the top is ready to be removed. The top has two hinges at the top. They're not to be forced. They're very easy to do. On the right hinge, push it over. Don't bend the hinge. The top will flex just enough to get it out the hole. So push it over, remove it from the hole, and then the left one, push to the left, and simply take off. You have a temperature sensor here, which this is what records the temperature. Air flows through the top, out the bottom. As it does, it passes over this temperature sensor, and this is where the temperature is read at. So remove that, put it to the side. You have a screw in the front. Some models have 2 screws, some have no screws, some have 3 screws. So each one's different, but remove the front screws, however many it may be. And down at the bottom, there are hatches that cover the screws for aesthetics. You just simply lift up on the hatch. It's a Phillips head screw. Unscrew them. Now we have these unscrewed. I put the lids back on to keep the screws in. Now it's time to undo the clips. There's a few clips on the face that's actually into the back. They clip right here. And then there's clips at the top. So very simply, before you try to pull anything, undo the clips. So grab it here, pull forward, and then at the top, simply pick up on the top, and the clips will come loose. And now at a downward motion, pick up and straighten out, and the cover tape comes right off. With the cover off during installation, it's very easily to feed your wires through, seal your hole in the back, use your screw connectors to secure your wires, and also for the future, every 6 months, it's very easy to get to your drain pan all along the front, clean it out, put it in algae tabs, and flush the drain.